In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ink to text in OneNote. If you take handwritten notes in OneNote, the ink to text feature lets you quickly convert your handwriting into editable and searchable typed text. This can help you organize notes faster, improve readability, and make your content easier to search and share. In this tutorial, we'll go through the two simple methods: converting existing handwritten notes and automatically converting handwriting into text while you write. Okay, let's get started. First, open OneNote and go to the page that contains your handwritten notes. At the top of the screen, click the Draw tab. This is where all the inking tools and handwriting features are located. For the first method, we'll convert handwriting that's already on the page. In the Draw tab, click the Lasso Select tool. Now use your mouse, stylus, or finger to draw around the handwritten notes you want to convert. Make sure the entire handwriting area is selected. Once selected, you can convert the handwriting into text in two ways. The first option is to click the Ink to Text button directly from the Draw ribbon. The second option is to right-click the selected handwriting and choose Ink to Text from the menu. After clicking it, OneNote automatically converts your handwriting into editable typed text. You can now copy, edit, resize, search, or format the text just like normal typed notes. This is especially useful for organizing meeting notes, class notes, or quick handwritten ideas. Now let's look at the second method. Instead of converting handwriting afterward, OneNote can also convert it while you write. Stay in the Draw tab. This time select the Ink to Text pen. You'll usually recognize it by the small letter A icon on the pen. Once selected, start writing anywhere on the page using your stylus, mouse, or touchscreen. As you write, OneNote automatically converts your handwriting into typed text almost instantly. This makes note-taking much faster while still giving you the flexibility of handwriting naturally. It's especially useful during meetings, lectures, brainstorming sessions, or quick note-taking on touchscreen devices. And that's how to use ink to text in OneNote. With these two methods, you can easily turn handwritten notes into clean, editable, and searchable text without retyping everything manually. Try both methods and see which workflow works best for your note-taking style.